Nigeria Army released a video showing how they enter inside Biafra Army camp in Osrumogho. No be small thing, no. Now, this one they happen. Don't drop one video, come give me, say make I go verify. Now tell them say no, this one not happen. It no happen. But however, we'll go find out how this thing take they happen for us. So no be small thing, my people. They asked the Nigeria government, say why all those people, all those Hausa imams, Hausa whether they call them pastor or be na far, we come outside, come talk say may they divide Nigeria. Why they never, DSS never arrest those people? Now wait till they ask, because we don't do this video before. Till now they never arrest those people. Till now they wait when they go arrest them, just the way they do to Mazina and the Carlo, so in the Igboho, and they show where they call for revolution for inside Nigeria. Okay, that one no end for there. Oh, since that time they never get those people. I don't say why when I go talk this country we never hear them. Oh, but however we go still find out how this thing take they happen. Remember Mazina and the Carlo old brokers where he talk something about cow, how the British carry cow give Fulani, and they say no only cow if you take enter or stay for this land, because they go buy the meat. While buying the meat, una go fit stay their land, do anything where they want. I will still play you the video. My people, let's go and find out how this thing take they happen. Welcome back to Balabas GC. Today na the first time where they come across this wonderful channel. You are highly welcome. We see they here how they bring you updates back to back as they hot. Remember saying our update na anywhere where they happen, na there with the first camera they bring and they come. Or you watch this video what I want play you right now. As the Nigeria Army they enter inside this camp, we say that they shout way gentle. I'll play you the video, may you watch, and before we come back, come continue. Please watch this video and share the video.
Maybe the venue, pastors. Enter here, ba. Where gentle today? Gentle, where you dey? Gentle, where you dey? Gentle, where you dey? Gentle, where you dey? I swear.
Temple never say anything. I have arrived for you.
Temple never born you well.
I don't want. You stop. No much video. Even picture. No. Anaga. Bagas, we are at the Supreme Council. We arrived at the Supreme Council. We are right at the Supreme Council. Down Mother Valley. Motherfuckers. Fuckers of the valley. Bring.
Yeah, my wonderful people. Now so we see am. And now we say mo bring am come show na more na know wetin dey go on for inside this area as it dey happen. Because if you watch this thing wey dey happen for Ukraine, Russia they show their own side and Ukraine they show their own side. Whether Russia win, they show. Whether Ukraine win, they show. So for most of they talk this thing for most of una we go write nonsense, can't give me say why you go bring this thing come up here. No, you have to know say for anything where they do, they get winning and they get people where they lose. So if you understand them, you understand. If you don't understand them, no wahala, still write your nonsense. But now the video where they release, now we say move bring them, constant show and I say see waiting they happen for that area. My people, let's listen for waiting Mazina and the Carlo talk regarding how Fulani say they carry cow, they enter our villages, our communities. Watch this video before we come back and continue.
Some of us were raised on pig milk. For how many years now? And you keep asking yourself, what is pig milk? Pig milk is minerally the same milk that the cows produce in Holland can be produced in the zoo. Tell me the country in the world aspiring to be a member of the UN Security Council where you move cattle from place to place. I'm asking you a simple question. Show me a country that aspires to be in the 21st century moving cattle from place to place. Tell me they're grazing. Which country is that? Please tell me. All of you don't have any shame. The Holland that you get your pig milk from, do they move cattle from Rotterdam to Amsterdam? I'm asking you a simple question. But they produce the pig milk that you're drinking every blessed day. Why can't Fulani produce pig milk in Sokoto? Why can't they produce carnation milk in Kano? They have the cattle. Before the white man came, did you see any Fulani in your forest? All these people talking rubbish about movement of cattle and movement of... I'm asking you, before Britain came and handed over Nigeria to Fulani, ask your grandfathers, please, or your grandmothers. Ask them. All this nonsense we are hearing today in this so-called one, I want to tell you the dangers of one Nigeria. All this nonsense you're hearing today about one Nigeria, Fulani in our forest, Fulani in our village. Before the white man came, did you see Fulani moving their cattle all over the place? Did we not have meat to eat? They will answer these questions for you. Because sometimes in Africa, we don't reason very well. The way we reason is disjointed. It is disjointed. I can't understand for the life of me why, instead of them to waste all that money arming and equipping this Janjaweed army Mihetiala to come and conquer you and I, why don't they open a milk factory somewhere in the north and bring the milk down south? I'm sure Southerners will buy it. After all, pig milk comes all the way from Holland. Pig milk all the way from Holland. Now you understand it. Because of the way you people reason. Why can't you produce? Is it difficult to produce milk? The same milk that comes out naturally from the udder of the cow. Why can't you can it somewhere, pasteurize it, and send it to people to eat, to drink, or to do whatever with? All over the world, that is what is happening. In fact, they produce so much milk in Europe that they pour it away. 21st century, you are moving cattle, driving cattle, Nama, from over 300 miles. It's claiming Yoruba forest is a place for you to be in. You want to relax in Yoruba forest. Every Nigerian is free to live anywhere. And do their business anywhere, yes. But when an Igbo man tries to sell beer in Kano, you destroy it. You destroy their businesses, you destroy their hotels, but you can come down to the south and live anywhere you like and graze anywhere you like. And you're telling me that is a country, that is one Nigeria for you?
Yeah, my wonderful people, welcome back. As you don't watch that video, no be smarty, no. And so we'll see him today, and I will see carry him come show una. And Mona know wetin they go on for inside that area. Please share this video and make sure say you follow this page for more updates as it dey hot.